Get ready for the latest scoop on Tesla. From recalls and personal changes to leaked updates on the Model 3 and Cybertruck, there's a lot happening in this electrifying automotive company. Find out about the latest developments, including the sleek new design of the Model 3, upgraded sensors, and interior changes. Plus, get a sneak peek at the Cybertruck's adaptive air suspension and other features. And that's not all. Tesla's new Megapack control platform is set to revolutionize energy storage. Stay tuned for all the exciting news and updates. Welcome to Prima Invest, where we will give you information relating to all things investing. Let's get to the video. Enjoy. Tesla has recently issued recalls for over 400 Model 3s due to a suspension issue, along with other recalls for seatbelt and parking brake issues in other models. While Tesla typically resolves these issues quickly, some 2018 and 2019 Model 3s are facing problems with their front suspension's lateral link fastener. Although not considered a serious issue, Tesla is recalling 422 cars out of caution to inspect and repair them for free. These recalls highlighting that Tesla, as a growing company with factories worldwide, may encounter some challenges along the way. Tesla has also announced personal changes, with Tom Zhu being appointed as Senior Vice President of Automotive and JB Straubel being nominated as a Class 1 Director. Zhu, who joined Tesla in 2014 and oversaw Gigafactory Shanghai, has been promoted due to his contribution to the company's growth. Straubel, one of Tesla's co-founders who left in 2019 to create Redwood Materials, may return as a board member pending a vote at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting. If approved, Tesla's hopes that Straubel's operational experience and passion for clean tech will contribute to their mission of sustainable energy. Do you think these personal changes will benefit the company in the long run? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, a recent leak from Tesla has revealed updates to the Model 3, which has remained largely unchanged since its launch in 2017. Known as Project Highland, Tesla's goal with this update is to improve manufacturing efficiency. The exterior changes include a redesigned front bumper and headlights, which give the Model 3 a sleeker look compared to the current model. There have also been sightings of the Model 3 with intentionally covered front and rear portions, suggesting that there will be noticeable changes in those areas. In addition to the exterior changes, the leaked information suggests that Tesla will be upgrading the sensors, adding new cameras to enter production in Q3 of this year. The updated design of the Model 3 appears to be inspired by the Tesla Roadster, with similarities in the headlights and overall design. Some speculate that this leaked photo could be a body kit from a third-party company, but there are several reasons why it is believed to be an official update from Tesla. One of the reasons is that design language aligns with Tesla's previous models, and it is consistent with rumored launch times for Project Highland. Another indicator is the extended fender camera line on the driver's side door, which matches with previous sightings of the updated Model 3 in the wild. Additionally, there are no ultrasonic sensors visible on the front bumper, which is in line with recent changes made by Tesla to remove these sensors from the Model 3. There are rumors of a front camera in that area, although it cannot be confirmed from the leaked photo. The leaked photo has sparked excitement among Tesla enthusiasts, as it signifies a refresh for the Model 3 after several years of minimal changes. It is also speculated that this update could help differentiate the Model 3 from the upcoming Project Juniper Model Y, which is rumored to be released next year. Overall, the leaked information and photo of the updated Model 3 suggests that Tesla is making significant changes to the exterior design, sensors, and interior materials, while also improving manufacturing efficiency. The official launch of the updated Model 3 is expected in Q3 of this year. Tesla is also set to release the Powerwall 3, an updated product of the following Powerwall 2 and Powerwall Plus. According to Electrek, Tesla has applied for certification with electric utilities. While specs are not yet available, the Powerwall 3 is expected to have easier installations, better aesthetics, and higher performance, Many are hopeful for increased capacity, as Tesla has kept it at 13.5 kilowatts since 2016. There may also be a shift to using LFP battery cells, potentially making the Powerwall 3 more affordable. Tesla could potentially repurpose Chinese-made LFP batteries from the RWD Model 3 for the Powerwall 3 as they shift vehicle LFP production to the US. Now for the latest updates on Cybertruck. A new video shows a truck undergoing suspension testing at Tesla's Fremont factory. The Cybertruck is expected to have an adaptive air suspension that allows for easy access to the truck or the vault with self-leveling capabilities. While it's not clear from the video if the ride height is changing, it's notable that Tesla is considering ride quality in the development of the Cybertruck, which will compete with other smooth riding trucks like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning. Recent sightings of a Cybertruck prototype with new steel wheels and measurement devices include a wheel force transducer, have sparked speculation that these could be permanent options on the truck. The presence of sensors on the wheels indicates that Tesla is actively testing and considering these features for production. Additionally, a short clip from the drone footage shows the Cybertruck undergoing wind testing near Giga, Texas, which is a departure from previous sightings near Tesla's Fremont factory. Overall, these sightings and updates suggest that Tesla is actively working on the Cybertruck and making progress towards its release. Excitement remains high among enthusiasts as more details emerge about the highly anticipated electric pickup truck. Tesla has also introduced a new Megapack controls platform that aims to improve deployment speed and potentially increase commissions for large-scale energy storage projects. The Megapacks, which are industry-leading energy storage solutions, come with Tesla's other advanced energy products like AutoBidder and PowerHub, allowing companies to monitor, control, and automate their energy storage in a comprehensive package. Chris Bowman, a senior staff product manager at Tesla, claims that Tesla's competitors often struggle with control system commissioning, resulting in project delays and losses worth millions of dollars. The new control platform is expected to enable Tesla to deploy Megapacks faster, potentially securing more commissions that are valued at over $100 million each. Tesla's business is rapidly growing, with the energy storage deployments in Q4 2022 increasing by 152% to 2.5 gigawatts and demand exceeding their supply capacity, as evident from their Megapack configurator, which is currently not accepting orders. Tesla's total energy storage deployment for the year reached 6.5 gigawatts, a significant increase of 64% from the previous year. With the new Megapack controls platform and their controller hardware in the loop test services, Bowman claims that Tesla provides control solutions that work the first time, positioning themselves ahead of their competitors. Tesla's focus on energy storage solutions and other commitment to the energy sector are further highlighted by the recent announcement of their second megafactory in Shanghai, capable of producing 10K megapacks per year. This indicates Tesla's potential to become a major player in the broader energy industry, beyond just electric vehicles, as they continue to innovate and grow in the energy storage market. Tesla's Q1 earnings report, scheduled for April 19th, tomorrow as of this recording, is eagerly awaited to gauge their continued growth trajectory in the energy sector. Hey, if you enjoy this type of content, do give us a like and subscribe. Now for recent updates from other automakers. Rivian has introduced a new configuration of their R1T truck, fulfilling their promise to replace the quad motor Megapack R1T with a higher horsepower performance dual motor option. This new option boasts impressive specs, such as a 0 to 60 time of 3.5 seconds, a 400-mile range, and 700 horsepower and foot-pounds of torque. Rivian has also applied for a patent for a movable panel on the side of the truck, which could potentially reveal a storage compartment or a pull-out kitchen table. Additionally, Rivian CFO announced at the Bank of America Security Summit that the company is on track to becoming profitable by the second half of 2024. GMC has also teased early designs of their second fully electric truck, the Sierra EV, which will be built on their Ultium platform. The Sierra EV is expected to have a 400-mile range and will feature unique interior accents, a panoramic glass roof, a ride suspension, and vehicle-to-home charging capabilities. It will also have high-performance specs with 754 horsepower, 785 pound-to-foot of torque, and a maximum towing capacity of 9,500 pounds. The Sierra EV will also offer fast charging capabilities and four-wheel steerability. Reservations for the first edition of the Sierra EV will open early next year, with other trim levels becoming available in 2024 and 2025. And that's it for today's video. With all these leaks and developments on the horizon, now is an exciting time for a Tesla fan. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, click the link shown on screen. Remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, have a good one.